God bless all of you fantastic miracles for spiritual well-being. Bishop Nathan Wilson here in the kitchen again, making unleavened bread. So for this recipe you need 2 cups of wholemeal flour and 1 cup of water, or 1.5 cups of water. So, and a pinch of salt. Then you mix it all together so you have it all nice and firmish. And then after you have it in like the texture you want it, like this, we're going to knead it with some flour. Okay, so you mix it all. So just a pinch of salt, 2 cups of wholemeal flour or barley flour, and a cup of water, and maybe a cup and a half. Okay, so we have our good texture here for our bread. Now let's go put some flour under here and knead our bread so we can turn this into some unleavened bread. Okay, flour here. So we want to knead it. See, this will also unstick it, so it doesn't matter if it feels a little bit sticky because you have flour for later. Now there's 2 ways of doing this. You can take this in chunks and you can fry it onto a pan and make it soft, or you can bake this in the oven 40 minutes, 200 degrees, and it will turn into literally like a plate bread. It's literally what I mean by plate. It was used as a plate in the ancient era. They would also use it as bread. Now, this being said, it will be like an edible plate. So this will become hard. I'm going to make 2 lots of this because there's so much of it. Okay, so what they would do is they would have their food on top of it throughout the day. The food would absorb into the bread, into which they could just put water on top of it or a bit of olive oil and rebake it, and the flavour will be absorbed into the bread. So I'm going to flatten it like this, and we're going to bake these in the oven with a little bit of olive oil on a tray. Now we have the second one to do. So we have here biblical unleavened bread, and it will literally bake. So let's see if we can put a cross in it. It probably won't turn out exactly the same, but it's okay. That one's a bit messed up. We won't about the cross. I need to use a knife for that one. Okay, so we have our flatbread, to which we will bake now at 200 degrees for 40 minutes. So remember, 2 cups of wholemeal flour, pinch of salt, and 1 to 1.5 cups of water, and then leaving it in the flour. And I was actually meant to say kneading it, not, yeah, leaving it. So, kneading it in the flour. Let's go bake. Okay, olive oil. Just a little splash. We wipe this around here. Cool. All good. Now we can put our bread onto this. And this will bake. We have unleavened bread. Let's go bake it and check it out in 40 minutes. And there is unleavened flatbread, baked at 200 degrees at 40 minutes in the oven. So as you can see here, flatbread. Now this will harden up while it's soft, it's fresh, but hardens up like a plate. Now you can use this for other recipes as well. So in regards to this, you can add this into soups and broths and also use it as a dip, as it will soften up, such as there's a Babylonian recipe that's for a creamy lamb stew, and they would use such a bread in that stew, and in turn they could also dip bits of the leftover bread into it while eating it. So, unleavened bread that Jesus would have eaten. So I thank you for joining me here on this little cooking session, and I hope you in turn make your own unleavened bread. God bless all of you, fantastic miracles and children of God.